remember when winter days and summer nights and the mud, spring days who gave a fuck. How many times had we shared so many memories way back when? All the similarities of the times are so different, like mine. Oh, why can't I just forget? Why can't I just regret? Why every time we shared was fly? I want to go back there now. All those memories I have now. I don't want